everyone, today's topic about how to fix the round Aari frame. Here I am taking the wooden frame of 16 inches. These wooden frames are available in different sizes, and here I am taking the size of 16, number 16, and you also get the 18 numbers which are readily available in the market. And these frames are very useful to stitch one complete back blouse. So I suggest one 16 inches wooden frame, and here is the hook to tight your fabric and all. Here I am also having the frame of iron round, which is the same size of 16 inches. So this wooden frame is coming along with this Aari iron frame. So here I am giving you the complete details about this stand and how to fix this. So this is the basic tutorial which I am giving you here. Here the same size of the iron round frame also available along with the 4 legs. So I'll show you how to fix this. This stand is completely made with the iron along with the 4 legs and adjustable screw inside of this round frame. So here what you need to do, take the round frame and open those legs and fix it to the links which have already given to the frame. It is so easy. Only you need to take care how we are fixing this. So once you complete the 4 legs of that stand, you can keep it anywhere. Why we are using this? Generally Aari work or Maggam work can be done on the cot, but the cot will take a lot of space, so we cannot adjust in some kind of rooms and all. So these ready-madely available stands will make you very comfortable to work anywhere. You can sit anywhere, or you can keep this stand on the upside, so it is very useful to you. So what I suggest you to buy this stand to learn the Aari work. Upcoming videos I'll show you all the stitches and work on this stand only. It is very reasonable cost, so that you can easily buy it. Online availability is there, so offline also you can find out on Facebook and extra other WhatsApp groups. Those are selling on the crafts. So that's it guys, today's next video I'll show you how to fix the fabric on wooden frames and all. So hope you people have liked my video. If you have any doubts, just give me the comments, I'll reply back. Also follow my Facebook page, I can give you complete details on that Facebook page. So please do subscribe and click on like button if you like, and do share in your communities. Thanks for watching.